Yes, today is our fifth day of social science class. Good morning. Welcome to the students of class 10. I am Elsie Madam, subject social science. Today's date is 26th June 2020. Class 10, social science. Geography chapter 4, name of the chapter is agriculture. Today we are going to explain about the food security. In 9th standard, you may be remember one chapter was there in economics that is known as food security in India. What are the elements of food security? That is availability, accessibility and affordability. Today the same topic we are going to explain in 10th standard also, food security. Food is the basic need and every citizen of the country should have access to food which provide minimum nutritional level. Every one of the society should get minimum nutritional level of food. If any group or any segment of our population does not have this access, that segment suffers lack of food security. The remote areas of the country are more prone to natural diseases and uncertain of food supply. In order to ensure availability of food to all sections of the society, our government carefully divides a national food security system. It consists of mainly two components, that is buffer stock and public distribution system. What is public distribution system? Distribution system is a program which provides food grains and other essential commodity at subsidized prices to below poverty line population in rural and urban areas. India's food security policy has a primary objective to ensure availability of food grains to the common people at an affordable prices. Food Corporation of India is responsible. Food Corporation of India is responsible for producing and stocking food grains, whereas distribution is done by PDS or Public Distribution System. It is the duty of FCI to bring the food grains. Distribution is given the responsibility of PDS. FCI procures food grains from the farmers at the government announced minimum support price. Minimum support price is the price it is announced by the government before sowing the seeds. The government used it to provide subsidies on agriculture inputs such as fertilizers, power and water. These subsidies have now reached unsustainable levels. Next, all the consumers of our country is mainly divided into two categories, that is above poverty line and below poverty line, with the issue price being different for each category. What is known as issue price? Issue price is the price which is lower than the market price. Issue price is the price which is lower than the market price. And each district and block can be made self-sufficient in food grains production if government provides proper agriculture infrastructure, credit linkages and also encourages the use of latest technology. there has been a gradual shift from the cultivation of food grain to the cultivation of fruits, vegetables, oil seeds and industrial crop. As a result, production in agriculture sector goes on decreases. The competition of land between non-agricultural users, which as housing and agriculture, resulted in the reduction in the net sown area. Periodic scarcity of water led to the reduction in area under irrigation. Inefficient water management led to water logging and salinity. So, government started many schemes to wells, tube wells has been introduced. As a result, the public can irrigate their land with the help of these wells and tube wells. Then, the big farmers with deeper tube wells still have water, but the small farmers face the difficulty of scarcity of water. As a result, they are finding difficulty to cultivate their land. The higher the supply, the lower is the demand. As a result, the prices of the commodity will be very less. Here, it shows that government has to secure the people. Government has to consider the poor farmers to produce more commodity in with an affordable price, so that government can control the condition of the poor people. So these are the topics included in the food security, that is public distribution system, FCI, issue price, minimum support price, buffer stock and all. This we already learned in 9th standard. As usual, we have the homework of 7 short answer type question answer and send it in my personal WhatsApp number before 8 o'clock today itself. Thank you. May God bless you.